Welcome to the HABISask instructional video series. This video will provide you with an overview of the Query tool. The Query tool is available from two locations on the toolbar in HABISask: the Basic Tools tab or the Tasks tab. In both cases, the Filter tool is also available to help narrow the information you want to query. Let's look a little closer at the Query tool. After clicking one of the two Query tool options, a query panel will open under the Information panel. The first step is to select a map layer, that is, data source you want to query. A drop-down list of the available map layers will appear. Click on the map layer you want to query. When you select the map layer, the query conditions will change, reflecting the information available in the data set. We've selected the bird species map layer, so the attribute filters available based on the data set attributes are provided in a drop-down list. We'll select Common Name for this video. After setting the filter, we then need to specify the operator for the query. We'll select Contains as our operator. Once the operator is set, we just need to specify what bird species we want to query for. Let's try American robin. When you type in the species you wish to query for, a drop-down of pre-existing queries will appear. Once you've typed in the full species name, it should appear in the box. Once you've entered all of your query conditions, the conditions will then read more as a sentence so that you can see the logic flow for the query. You can then either cancel the query by clicking the X or even add other conditions to the query. Lastly, you can specify a spatial filter if you wish, and if one is available. In this case, we can select None or the current extent. We'll leave the spatial filter at None. Let's click Search to see what we found. Once you click the Search button, HABISask will conduct the query. You will see a Query Results panel appear in the Information panel area. This may take a few seconds to run as the app searches the data set. The message, "Items appear after you perform a valid search or other task that returns results," will appear. Give the app a few more seconds to run if the results are not immediately available. If successful, the Query Results panel will populate with results. In this case, a list of the 1 to 50,000 NTS map sheet locations from the Saskatchewan Bird Atlas, where American robins were reported. You can scroll up and down the list and toggle between the various results panel if there is more than one. You can close the query results and return to the query panel if you wish to conduct another query. If not, simply close the query panel. This brings to a close our video demonstrating the Query tool in HABISask. Please be sure to view other instructional videos in this series to improve your user experience. Don't forget to use the user's guide to help you learn about the app, or to use the Contact Us button in HABISask to submit your question or suggestions. Thank you for viewing this instructional video on HABISask.